friends, I am Anwesha and I welcome you to my channel, Aspiring Banker Anwesha. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon so that you get notified for the upcoming videos. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you about my experience in today's examination. So I had examination today in the first shift, that is at 8 a.m. Okay, though the reporting time was changed later on to 8:30 a.m. So I had examination in the first shift. So here I'll give you my analysis. Okay, so stay tuned.
Topic of the RC was technology and education. Technology and educations, then your startups related to these. Okay, and there were approximately 7 questions. Approximately. Okay, 2 vocab based questions were there from the RC. 1 filler was there. Then 1 sentence was given in italics. Okay, italicized sentence. And you were asked to find out the meaning of the sentence. So there were options and you had to choose what the sentence actually mean. So meaning of the sentence. Okay, so 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 questions done. Now 3 more questions are there. Okay, next you had error detection questions. Okay, 3 sentences were given and you were required to find out the correct sentence. Find out the correct sentence. Okay, out of the 3 sentences. Okay. Next was your sentence rearrangement question. Sentence rearrangement. 5 questions were there from sentence rearrangement. From error detection also 4 to 5 questions were there. Okay, next was your word rearrangement. So in a particular sentence there were 3 words, highlighted words A, B, C, and you were required to rearrange the position of the word so that you get a meaningful sentence. Okay, next was your phrase replacement. From phrase replacement there were 3 questions. From word rearrangement also there were 4 questions most probably, and then you had you had closed test and there were 5 questions from the closed test. Okay, so now if we talk about the level of the examination, level of the paper, then your RC was of moderate level. Okay, because some questions were tricky in your RC. Next, error detection was of easy level. Sentence rearrangement was easy. Word rearrangement was also easy. Phrase replacement was easy. And closed test was also easy. Okay, fine. Now we will talk about reasoning section. Okay, so in your reasoning section there were syllogs and only a few statement syllogs were also there. So total there were 5 questions on syllogs and the questions were easy. Next you had simple inequality questions. 2 statements were there. 2 statements. Okay, and 5 questions were there from inequality. Coded inequality was not there. Simple inequality questions were there. Now, next you had 1 blood relation question. Only 1 question from blood relation. Next, coding decoding. And the old pattern coding decoding was there. That is Chinese coding decoding. Okay, 5 questions from Chinese coding decoding. Next, you had one word alongside, and in this word you had to change the you had to arrange the consonants in dictionary order and then the vowels in dictionary order, and then you had to change the consonants and the vowels, consonants plus 1 or something of that sort was there. Next, you had one number, okay, and there were most probably 8 or 9 digits in the number, and you had to locate the number of pairs which had the same the number, like the questions that you used to get in your dictionary order, the same question here you are getting with your number. The number of pairs that have the same number of digits that has in between them in the series as in the number system. Okay. Next, seventh question was on age. Okay, age, and you had to arrange the people according to their age. Okay, and there were 6 people. Fine. Next, circular sitting arrangement of 6 people, and each of them liked a different fruit. Okay. Next was there your linear sitting arrangement, 8 people, some were facing north and some facing south. Okay, 5 questions from this. Here you had 6 people and the number of questions were 3. Here you had 5 questions. Okay, the next puzzle was there were designations given. Okay, and you had to rearrange the people according to their designations. Okay. Okay, the next puzzle was on month and date. Okay. So if I have to talk about the level of the examination, I'll say that the level was moderate. Okay. Now next we will talk about the quant section. In the quant section, number series was not there, guys. Please note this. Questions on number series were not there. Okay. So let's see what questions were there. So there were 5 questions on approximation. 5 questions. And the level of the questions was easy. Okay. Next, there were questions on line graph. So one line graph DI was there and 5 questions were there on the line graph DI and the level was easy. Okay. Next, there was a Casslet DI and there were 3 questions from the Casslet DI and the level was easy. Next, there was a tabular DI. Okay, tabular DI on efficiency. So I did not go through the DI because I felt that the DI was tricky and calculative, so I did not go through the question. Okay, so I'll say that the level of the DI was moderate. Then next, there were 5 questions on quadratic equations, simple quadratic equation, not on Q1, Q2, simple quadratic equations, 5 questions, easy level. Okay. Then next, you had arithmetic questions. So one question was there from mixtures, one from profit and loss. One question was there from percentage, the typical question that a person earns this much, he spends this much on rent, this much he saves, and all those things. So one question was there from percentage, one from profit and loss, one from time and work. From time and work, there was one question. From compound interest, one question. From mensuration, there was one question. Okay, and the others I did not have a time to look at. So overall there were most probably 8 to 10 questions from arithmetic part. Okay, fine. Now if I have to talk about the level of the paper quants, then I'll say the level was moderate. Okay, one DI was difficult, other questions were easy. Okay, so the level was moderate level. If someone has a good practice, then he can easily solve. Okay, now I know all of you want to know about my attempts, so here I will write down how much I attempted. So in English I have attempted 30 out of 30. In reasoning I have attempted 24 out of 35, and in quants I have attempted 22 out of 35. Okay, overall aggregate 76 out of 100. This is my attempt, but I believe I'm not satisfied with my attempts. I believe it was possible to attempt at least 30 out of 35 in reasoning. Okay, and in quants also it was possible to attempt at least 27. Okay, so please see, I'm sure you guys have attempted more than me. Please share your attempts in the comment section. Okay, thank you everyone. And also one more thing, there was no change in the interface. Okay, the interface of the examination is the same as the old one, not like your RRB examination. Okay, so interface is the same. Okay, if we talk about the rest of the things, so Arogya Setu app was not checked in my examination hall. Arogya Setu app not checked. Okay, you had to take the self declaration that was there in the admit card, so you had to take a printout of that self declaration and fill it up. Okay, next you had to carry your own water bottle, plastic water bottle, transparent water bottle. Next, sanitizer not needed. Next, mask, you have to carry your own mask. Okay, gloves not needed. Okay, this is about my examination center, which was at Gitobitan, Kolkata. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please share your attempts in the comment section below. Bye.